Deep in the heart of the Emerald Jungle lived ktten. He was a small monkey with a very big heart and a long, curly tail. Every morning, ktten loved to swing through the canopy, smelling the sweet hibiscus flowers and listening to the morning song of the forest. One sunny morning, ktten heard a soft, worried squawk coming from a thicket of ferns. He peeked through the leaves and saw Lonnie the parrot. Lonnie's beautiful, bright blue feathers were tangled in a web of sticky jungle vines. She couldn't fly away. "Don't worry, Lonnie. I can help," ktten said with a cheerful grin. He used his nimble fingers to carefully untwist the vines one by one. He worked very slowly so he wouldn't hurt Lonnie's delicate feathers. Soon, the vines fell away. Lonnie chirped a happy "thank you" and soared into the sky. ktten waved goodbye and swung down toward the forest floor. Near a patch of giant mushrooms, he spotted Tulia the tortoise. Tulia was puffing and blowing, trying to climb over a very large mossy rock. Tulia was too small to get over the bump, and her shell was very heavy. ktten hopped behind her and put his hands on the back of her shell. "On the count of 3, let's push," ktten said. With one big shove, Tulia tumbled safely over to the other side. ktten continued his journey until the jungle grew hot and humid. He decided to head toward the sparkling river to splash his face with cool water. But as he reached the muddy bank, he heard a loud, splashing thud and a very sad trumpet. Baraka, the baby elephant, had slipped on the muddy grass. He was stuck deep in the thick, brown mud near the water's edge. No matter how hard Baraka wiggled his big ears and shook his trunk, he could not pull his heavy feet out. ktten knew just what to do. He found a long, sturdy jungle vine hanging from a nearby cedar tree. He wrapped one end around a strong trunk and threw the other end to Baraka. "Hold on tight with your trunk, Baraka," ktten called out. ktten pulled and Baraka heaved. With a giant squelch sound, Baraka's feet popped out of the mud. Baraka was so happy to be free that he let out a joyful trumpet and gave ktten a very gentle hug with his trunk. As the sun began to set, painting the jungle in shades of gold and violet, ktten sat high in a mango